Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check your watch history on X. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now the first one you could use is very quickly from your profile, you go here and then you go and simply check your likes. And from here a lot of people just simply don't know that they can just like some posts and watch them back. But if you'd like to just select the watch history by itself, all you have to do is to click on the more section, then click on settings and privacy. Now from here you can see your account and there are options and one of them says download an archive of your data. What will this do is to going to download all the data that you have, and now from here you're going to verify by entering your password. Once you enter your password, they're going to send it to you by email or by text message, whatever you would like. And once you click on the email, then they're going to deliver for you all the data that you have to your email address, and that will include your watch history. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.